Hi, birdie birds. Hi, birdie birds. Who's happy birdies? Huh? Hi, Benny and Desmond. Hi, babies. Who's happy to be in the middle of the living room? Not Sunny and Loki. No, I know. What about Daddy? Daddy is definitely not happy. What about Tucker? Are you happy, Tucker? No. How about my budgie boys? No, not happy. Anybody happy in this one? Huh? No, nobody's happy in this one either. What about my peepers? You happy, peepers? Beep beep. Huh? I know you're mad at mommy. Come here, boo boo. Come here, beep beep. He just turned his back on me. Oh man, y'all make the most lovely sounds. Let's see. Here's the bird room. Holy guacamole. I need help.